Happy birthday, Ginny. Happy birthday to you. She's my best friend. I'm not sure what I do it deserve her, but I thank God every day for her. She's wonderful, strong. She's my love. I love her so much. Darling, I love you.
आई लव यू किन्ना, मेरा सियाना बच्चा, मेरा सबसे प्यार करने वाला बच्चा। गुरुजी हमेशा तेरे को ब्लेस करेंगे। तू सबके साथ प्यार रखती है। गॉड तेरे को हमेशा सुखी रखे बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू गिनी। लव यू बेटा।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ginny. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, Gitanjali.
May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you, Gitanjali.
Love you, Ginny. Love you, Ginny. Lots of love. Guruji bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ginny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bua.
Happy birthday, beta.
Happy birthday, Ginny. May Guruji bless you with lots of love and happiness in your life.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Ginny.
Gitanjali.
May God,
May God bless you.
You are very lucky. You share a birthday month with Guruji. Guruji
May
bless
God
you
bless you always.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
And be like this forever.
शादी कर ले.
शादी
तू
कर
बहुत
ले
बड़ी
जल्दी
हो
ताकि
गई है.
तेरी शादी में ना एंजॉय कर पाए। बहुत टाइम हो गया यार। Really.
Love you.
Love you.
You are truly my support in everything. Love you. Thank you for being here every time. Love you बहुत सारा.
Happy
Ginny.
birthday once again.
Mwah.
छोड़ो यारो क्योंकि मेरा बर्थडे आया छोटे, तेरा बर्थडे आया छोटे, तेरा बर्थडे आया छोटे, तेरा बर्थडे आया, तू है दुनिया पे छाया। बर्थडे है मेरी बहन का बर्थडे है, पार्टी होगी पूरी रात, चलो मेरी बहन हो मेरे साथ। बर्थडे है मेरी बर्थडे है, मेरी बहन का बर्थडे है, पार्टी होगी पूरी रात, चलो मेरी बहन हो मेरे साथ।
Love you. Enjoy. Enjoy. You are my favorite. Love you. Enjoy. God.
Chotu? No, only mineral water, no tap water. No, it makes my nose red, snotty. Okay, let's wish her now, okay? Yeah. Happy birthday, Ginny. My Ginu, I miss you so much. I miss having hookah with you. And vodka. Guinness drink. Our trio is the best, no? Hashtag best trio. Ginu ka birthday. Chalo, it's over. Okay, it's done. Love you, Ginu.
Bro, happy birthday. As you and I have always believed that childhood friends are the really special ones. So I just want you to know that you are really close to my heart. You're the most genuine human I have ever come across. So I just wish a lifetime of happiness to you. I wish you get everything you have ever desired. So just happy birthday. Stay blessed. Meet soon. And I am waiting for us to dance on our song again. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Ginny. May God bless you. Take care.
Hi Ginny, what's up? Wish you a very very happy birthday to you. May God bless you and lots of love. Happy birthday.
Hi babe, happy birthday. It's been such a long time since we've met. I cherish all the memories we've made together, right from Pepsi and Blue Lace wala time to Parathe wali gali to Giri Momos date and whatnot. I just wish the best for you and just stay the same way you are. Sweet, loving, fun, bakchod. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ginna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. May God bless you with all the happiness and love. Enjoy your day. Love you. Bye.
So it's Ginny birthday and we are going to dance on our favorite song. Yeah, our book original. Hello Ginny, happy birthday. नहीं, hello Ginu, नहीं, Ginna. तो Ginna happy birthday.
Happy birthday again. Start Adira. Adira. Adira.
चलो एक बार और करते हैं.
Love you. You are my favorite. Enjoy.